5, 10, 15.
Put your hands up.
Don't hurt me, don't hurt me.
Give me your money.
Help, help, help.
What happened?
Bad guy Bill stole the money.
I'll go get the sheriff.
Bad guy Bill stole our money. Go tell the sheriff. Get the sheriff. 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 Bad guy Bill. He headed south of the bank.
Okay, Frank. I'll go get him.
Thanks, Sheriff. I'll wish you best of luck.
Yes! 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 I'm rich!
Bad guy Bill, why don't you come out here and we'll handle this?
Why don't we handle this with a tin can shootout? You missed, son. Thunder Nation. Looks like we got a runner.
You're under arrest. You're going to jail, bad guy Bill.
No! Another one in the bag.
Oh, you scared me, Sheriff.
I got something for you, miss.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Thanks for being Bad Guy Bill.
No problem. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any ideas for other WW films, comment down below, or if you'd like a shout out, also comment down below.